PTC ਨੈਟਵਰਕ ਦਰਸ਼ਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ ਜੀ। ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਰੀਅਲ ਐਸਟੇਟ ਇਨਵੈਸਟਮੈਂਟਸ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਬੇਸ਼ੱਕ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੁੱਕਰ 'ਚ ਬੈਠੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਮਾਈਆਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੁਣ ਇਨਵੈਸਟਮੈਂਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ। ਔਰ ਇੱਕ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਸ ਕੰਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਫਲਤਾ ਹਾਸਲ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੀ, ਖਾਸ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਲੰਮੇ ਅਰਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਕਰੀਬ 1.5 ਦਹਾਕੇ ਤੋਂ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਹੈ NRI ਔਰ NRI ਦੀ ਟੀਮ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮੁਲਾਕਾਤ ਕਰਵਾਵਾਂਗੇ। ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਆਰਥਰ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਨੇ। ਆਰਥਰ, ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਵੈਰੀ ਮਚ ਫॉर योर टाइम here and I know you have a long record of working with the Indian community. But before I talk about your work and how the Indian community can invest more with you, I want to understand what is NRIA.
Sure. NRIA is a diversified, integrated company where we offer investments in real estate and we also develop the properties. That way we're integrated in the purchase of the property, the management of the build, and the outsale of the properties. We've been in business now over 13 years serving the Indian community, and we mix our investments between commercial real estate as far as residential commercial and the different states that we're in. We're in New York, New Jersey, Florida, Pennsylvania.
Oh, that's a long stretch.
Yes.
I mean, you are there till Florida. So if somebody wants to invest in Florida sitting in New York, they can do that.
That's correct. They're investing actually through a fund, a private placement fund that we offer. That way you're investing in all the properties. You're diversified. If one property should fail to hit its financial goal, it's carried by the others that are a part of the portfolio.
ਸੋ ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਸੌਖਾ ਹੈ। ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਹੋ, ਕਿਸੇ ਨਵੇਂ ਏਰੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਥੋੜੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ। Alright, so what I want to understand is what are the kind of properties that you can help people invest in?
Sure. Well, through this type of private placement investment, it's a fund. There are 13 properties in that fund, about $650 million of valuable real estate. So they're actually investing in multifamily dwellings, apartment buildings, condo buildings, townhouse buildings, and as we mentioned, in multiple locations across the country. That way it's diversified and safe.
So there's a large basket you can pick your choice from. All right, now what I want to invest is, I mean, there are people who come into the market and they want to invest for the first time. They're very scared of losing money.
Sure.
So what's the assurance that you can provide them?
Sure. Well, first of all, if they research our history, 13 years in business, 0 project failures, 0 project foreclosures, an A+ better business rating. And then what we do is we put our money where our mouth is. We actually back our investments with a minimum or floor guarantee of 12% and the return of their principal.
All right, so 12% return is guaranteed.
Is a floor guarantee, yes.
On all
correct.
investments.
That's correct.
Is there yeah.
I was just going to share with you, most importantly, not only backed by the real estate in the portfolio, but by our corporate company, not a shell company, that has over $70 million of assets.
So 12% investment return ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਗਾਰੰਟੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। But ਹੁਣ ਸਵਾਲ ਇਹ ਉੱਠਦਾ ਵੀ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਇਨਵੈਸਟਮੈਂਟ ਹੈ? Is there a minimum amount that somebody can invest, or people can invest just in thousands or so, or do I have to be a millionaire?
Sure. No, you don't have to be a millionaire, but you do have to be accredited. So an investor must show proof according to the SEC Reg D that they're accredited. Accredited means that they're earning at least $200,000 a year for the past 2 years, household income $300,000 for the past 2 years, or the third way you can qualify is having $1 million of net assets minus your primary residence. So it can include other real estate owned, local or foreign, stocks, bonds, retirement funds. But they do have to meet one of those 3 criteria. And the first part of your question, how much do they have to invest? What's the minimum? They can invest in $50,000 increments. So $50,000 reaps a 16% annualized return, 100,000, 18% annualized return, or 150,000, a 20% annualized return.
So that's very interesting.
Yeah.
So ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਅਰਨਿੰਗ 2 ਲੱਖ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪੂਰੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਦੀ ਸਾਲ ਦੀ 3 ਲੱਖ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਨਵੈਸਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਔਰ 50,000 ਤੋਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। 16% ਦੀ ਗਾਰੰਟੀ, 18% ਦੀ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ 1 ਲੱਖ ਇਨਵੈਸਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ। That's very interesting. Now when somebody wants to invest, ਸਵਾਲ ਇਹ ਉੱਠਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਰਟੀ ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਐਸਟੈਬਲਿਸ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ। Nowadays, these people know that the real estate market is like a bubble and there is so much inflation of a property when people talk about it. The ultimate result and actually equity value is much lower. So how do you establish the value of a property?
Sure. Well, let me address one thing about the real estate bubble. There's always economists who say the sky's falling, right? We are right now currently 2 points lower than the 30-year average interest rate. And there's never been a better time to invest in real estate.
The sky is still there.
The sky's still there. Look up and you'll see it. But, the stability of the market is that there is no inventory, especially new construction, and that's what we specialize in. Also, depending on where you build, when you're building in midtown areas, there's always a low supply, high demand, and those areas are affected the least. The debacle, real estate debacle and financial crisis we went through was due to liar's loans. That inflated the market and then deflated it quickly and caused a mess. Today, you cannot buy property according to the Dodd-Frank laws unless you can prove beyond a shadow of a doubt that you can afford it. That adds a big layer of security. And again, the location that you build in and the construction itself. What kind of construction? In our portfolio, at least half of it are apartment buildings. Why? Because apartment buildings are virtually recession-proof.
Everyone wants to live in a house.
Well, they're virtually recession-proof, regardless of the temperature of the market, buyer's market, seller's market. It's always a landlord's market.
ਰਾਈਟ ਸੋ ਹਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਘਰ ਤੇ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਆ ਇਹ ਸਵਾਲ ਤੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਆ ਔਰ ਹੁਣ ਸਵਾਲ ਇਹ ਉੱਠਦਾ ਕਿ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਨਵੈਸਟ ਕਰ ਵੀ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਰਿਟਰਨ ਆ ਵੀ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮਹੀਨੇ ਦੇ ਮਹੀਨੇ ਤਨਖਾਹ ਦੇ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ I mean you're talking about a 16% return on or 18% return on 100,000 that's
Correct.
close to 1,500 per month so can an investor take the money on a monthly basis or does
Sure.
it have to be just on
Good question. So how is an investor actually paid? Well, keep in mind, all these projects are brand new. The term of this investment is 5 years.
Okay.
So an investor invests $100,000 today, they're going to make $90,000 return over a 5-year period, and they're getting
almost double the amount.
Yeah, almost double the amount, and they're getting a guarantee that if the projects fail to hit their financial goals, they're getting a 12% minimum return with the return of their principal. But talking about the timeline, if someone invested $100,000 today, 30 days later they would start to receive 6% of that return in real time. That's about $500 a month. $500 a month, $6,000 a year.
Which is way more than what a bank can provide you.
That's correct.
To start with.
That's correct. And it is, like you just pointed out, it's to start with because during that first 2-year period, all these projects are brand new from the ground up. So they're being built.
Yeah.
But once we hit that 2-year, 2.5-year threshold, there's a lot of cash flow coming back in. That money, by law, has to be passed down to the investors. National Realty cannot take any of its profit or principal. That's correct. We expect it to go up double, triple. But if you wanted to look at it extremely conservatively, say 6% for the first 4 years, that's a $24,000 return. Plus, in year 4 to 5, one lump sum of $66,000 paid out, your balance that accrued, giving you a $90,000 return.
That looks good, but if somebody is in an emergency situation and
Sure.
he or she needs their funds back, is it possible for them to pull out?
Yes, they can pull out, we call it early redemption. Anytime after 2.5 years, you can take your money out all or part. You would receive the minimum guaranteed return of 12%. And the return of your principal, obviously.
So the lock-in is not exactly 5 years, just 2.5.
It's 2.5 years, but if you take early redemption, you're getting a 12% return, which is still fantastic in the market. I don't know many investment opportunities that are even offering the 12, and that's a minimum for us.
All right, so if I want to understand that these earnings, if somebody is interested in just accruing them and reinvesting with you, is it possible?
Sure, you can actually reinvest that money that you're making with us and basically double dip on your returns. You can also use things like private placement opportunities through a self-directed IRA or 401k. Not many people are making 16, 18, or 21% on their retirement funds. So this is a great place to temporarily park that money. You're not going to touch it anyway, right? It's under your IRA covering. So using it in a private placement like this with a 5-year timeline is extremely lucrative.
Okay, let me understand this. Whenever we hear a political leader, whether it's a president or opposition leader talking about market, we hear them talking about the share market.
Right.
It's never a discussion about the real estate market unless until it's foreclosures.
Right.
We're talking about, right? So why are you promoting real estate? What's the difference between investing in Wall Street or investing with you?
Well, I think most of our listeners today that are investing in the stock market can answer that question themselves. The volatility.
Yeah.
Real estate is a stable investment. It's a hard asset. When the stock market goes down, real estate is the best place to invest. Why? Again, a hard asset is a stable asset. Look back in 2010. If you purchased property back then at some sort of discount because the market was low, you can't pay that same amount of money today. Why? Because it doesn't exist. So real estate always rebounds, and most importantly, it never zeroes out. Stocks zero out. You can lose all your investment.
Stocks is too much work also.
Yeah, sure. You have to do all the work of watching it, pulling out at the right time, making sure that the investment that you make is in a good company, and there's just so many variables. With real estate, it's simple. If you're building downtown, apartment buildings are virtually, again, recession-proof. It's always a landlord's market, and there's stability in real estate.
And if you're watching on PDC, Punjabis love to own the land. So, of course, you are going to invest in a land or property. So, ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸ਼ੌਂਕ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਜਾਇਦਾਦ ਕੋਲ ਹੋਵੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਪੈਸੇ ਨਾਲ, ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਬਹੁਤ ਹਵਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉੜਦੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜੇ ਐਕਸਪਰਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਪੈਸਾ ਗਵਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. ਤਾਂ owning a land or piece of land or apartment is a more secure options. We'll take a little break. We'll come back with more details on real estate investments. We are here with NRIA discussing with the author why invest in real estate and what are you going to get out of it. ਬ੍ਰਿਤਵਾ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਦਾ ਸਿਲਸਿਲਾ ਫੇਰ ਜਾਰੀ ਹੈ. ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਹਾਂ NRIA ਦੇ ਆਫਿਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਔਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਰਥਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਇਨਵੈਸਟਮੈਂਟ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਦੀ ਥਾਂ ਤੇ ਜਾਂ ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਕਿਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਥਾਂ ਤੇ ਰੀਅਲ ਏਸਟੇਟ 'ਚ ਕਿਉਂ ਫਾਇਦੇਮੰਦ ਹੈ. Now my question to you after the break is, there are so many people who have some money in their hands and they are retired, but they are very insecure where to invest that money. Is it a good option to make your retirement investments in property?
Definitely. One of the benefits that we bring to the table is when you're investing through a private placement, using a retirement vehicle, it's quite inexpensive, maybe about $400 or so to set something like that up. Once it's set up, it stays under that umbrella of the IRA or 401k for protection.
So you use the word retirement vehicle. Can you explain
Vehicle.
that?
Yeah, sure. Well, I would say about 25% of our clientele actually utilize their IRA or 401k to invest in our type of projects. So by doing an investment or performing an investment for our investors where there's a mixed type of real estate, commercial, residential, condo, townhomes.
All owned by your company.
All owned by us. They're coming in to an experienced firm that again can manage that property, and the end buyer or the investor has no liability or responsibility. So there's no risk of that money getting lost. We take on all of that liability. The investor comes through the LLC that owns all the properties on the same plane as us. But because it's through the LLC, no liabilities.
So that's why a retired person can invest with trust.
That's correct. Trust and safety.
Alright, so ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅਸ਼ੋਰ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਰਟੀਜ਼ ਇਨਵੈਸਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਨਵੈਸਟ ਕੀਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਰਿਟਰਨ ਆਣਾ. ਸੋ ਰਿਟਾਇਰਮੈਂਟ ਪਲਾਨ ਦਾ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ, ਰਿਟਾਇਰਮੈਂਟ ਪਲਾਨ ਵਹੀਕਲ ਦਾ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇਨਵੈਸਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਔਰ ਉਹ ਥੋੜੀ ਇਨਵੈਸਟਮੈਂਟ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਸਵਾਲ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਫੇਲ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਮੇਰਾ ਪੈਸਾ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਮੁੜੇਗਾ. ਹਾਲਾਂਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਗਾਰੰਟੀ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ 12% ਰਿਟਰਨ ਦੀ, ਪਰ ਓਰੀਜਨਲ ਪੈਸਾ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਮੁੜੇਗਾ. ਨਾਓ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਇਜ਼, ਇਫ ਸਮਬਡੀ ਇਜ਼ ਇਨਵੈਸਟਿੰਗ ਇਨ ਯੋਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਟੀ ਔਰ ਵਿਦ ਯੋਰ ਫਰਮ and one of your projects fails, let's say, I mean, you have said that no project has failed till now in 30 years.
That's correct.
Let's say a hypothetical question, if one project fails, do the other projects take guarantee of that investment?
Well, that's a very good important point. The projects are diversified. They're in different states along the East Coast. They're in major cities. So all of the properties are security for the investment. And this is a rolling fund, a private placement rolling fund where we're constantly adding properties. So today, if an investor came in, that fund is worth $650 million with 13 properties. If an investor comes in next year, I'm speaking hypothetically, there may be 20 properties at, 200, another maybe $1 billion to $2 billion. So it all depends on when the investor comes in, but all the properties in the portfolio act as security or surety for that client's investment. So if one property fails, it's carried by the others.
Okay, so let me understand it in a little more detail. if I'm investing my 50,000, I'm not investing on this particular room. I'm investing on the whole building.
That's
on
correct.
The whole company.
That's correct. You're purchasing a financial unit, which is a part of all of the properties.
Not one project.
Not into a specific property. Yep. So a lot of security in that.
So that's very important to understand. ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਨਵੈਸਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਦਾਵਾ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਨਵੈਸਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਫੇਲ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਇਸ ਲਈ ਅਸਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਇਨਵੈਸਟਮੈਂਟ ਇੱਕ ਪਾਰਟਿਕੂਲਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਹੈ that's very important to understand. All right, so if there are so many people who are living in India and Punjab, they have good amount of property and they want to make an investment in USA, but probably they don't want to come to USA. They're happy there. So is it possible for them to do that?
Yeah, we're actually a perfect vehicle for that type of investor because not only do we have a proven track record, but we handle all of the management. We're integrated in our projects. So we find the property, we get it below its market value. We also petition the city for tax abatements on that property. And then we're managing the build, and then we're managing the out sale. So they're basically walking into a wheel that rolls. You know, why create the wheel? Why try to, create
Reinvent
something?
the wheel, yeah.
Reinvent the wheel. Why go about doing all the work
What I
yourself?
understand is somebody's sitting there in India. Because investments there are not very secure. People are a little worried.
Sure.
I mean, what would I do if I reach America? How would I make sure that my investment is there and secure? So what's the level of transparency that they get?
Sure. Well, again, they're investing in a fund where the detail is laid out. The cash that's coming in, what it's being distributed for, how much these projects cost, what are the expenses, what kind of profits do we take. We call that the capital stack. And that's actually a part of each individual property so that any investor clearly sees where their funds are going, what kind of returns we're making, what kind of returns they're making. And most importantly, there's no charge. In other words, how can I basically make it even better? There's no actual expense to the investor for us to process.
Apart from the total investment.
Apart from the total investment, and there's no decline in their cash. In other words, all of their money is going into the fund.
So it's not like somebody's coming with 50,000 and you're going to tell them, okay, 5,000 is our fee.
Correct.
There's another 5,000 you have to pay to the government and you're left with 40,000.
Correct, exactly.
That's not happening
That's
like that.
correct. All of their money goes into the fund, and their return is based on their cash in, and there are no fees, processing fees that deplete or take
Let
from
me
that.
explain this. So, ਇਸ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਦਾਵਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ $50,000 ਲੈ ਕੇ ਇਨਵੈਸਟ ਕਰਨ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਚੋਂ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਪਹਿਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਤੇ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਗ੍ਰੀਨ ਕਾਰਡ ਹੋਲਡਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਸਿਟੀਜ਼ਨ ਹੋ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਇਨਵੈਸਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਦੂਸਰੀ ਗੱਲ, ਜਿੰਨਾ ਪੈਸਾ ਇਨਵੈਸਟ ਕਰਨ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਫੀਸਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੱਟੀਆਂ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ। ਉਹ ਟੋਟਲ ਇਨਵੈਸਟਮੈਂਟ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਐਜ਼ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਟੋਟਲ ਰਿਟਰਨ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਉਸੇ ਇਨਵੈਸਟਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਆਉਂਦਾ। ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ 50,000 ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਹੋ ਤੇ 40 ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਰਿਟਰਨ ਮਿਲੇਗਾ। ਇਸ ਦਾਅਵੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਇਨਵੈਸਟਮੈਂਟ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਮੰਗ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਉਹ another important information. All right, now you have said this that this is a family firm, right?
Correct.
So how do you explain that?
Sure. Well, what I mean by family fund, I mean investors can utilize this for their children. They can do a trust. We had mentioned they can invest through their retirement vehicle, a self-directed IRA, 401k if they're here. But if they have a family trust that they're using to invest through as a vehicle, they can also use this private placement opportunity. And
It is big, but it's not so big that it's impersonal.
that's correct. It's not that big that it's impersonal. But we offer also, again, reporting to our investors. We're reachable. We're reachable as a company.
So
And,
there's a direct connection with your investor.
we've been servicing, like I said, the Indian community about 13 years. And,
How many Punjabi investors you have with you?
specifically Punjabi, I don't have an exact number, but I know that our total investment for client base is about, I would say, about half of that 750 are Indian families. And they've recycled their cash with us over and over again. And then their children have come in, or cousins, aunts, uncles. So we are like one big family.
ਸੋ 13 ਸਾਲ ਦੇ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਰਿਸ਼ਤਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਦਾਵਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਇਥੋਂ ਅੰਕੜਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ ਜੋ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੋਏ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਨਵੈਸਟਮੈਂਟ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ ਓਕੇ ਆਈ ਸੀ ਅ long list of the properties you have and you have given so much detail about how far the properties are from car, bus, train or ferry ride. So can you give a little explanation of these properties, why you're promoting them?
Sure, of course. Well, what we do is we specifically build what's conducive to that area. So, for instance, when you're in the greater New York area of Brooklyn, areas that your listeners might or might
Right
not be
next to
familiar
New York
with.
City or
Yeah, we're
Manhattan.
right outside of Manhattan. So it's actually called the Jersey Gold Coast.
Yeah.
Anything that's on the Hudson River side, on the Jersey side, I mean, let's face it, we have the views, right? We have that beautiful $1 million view. So anything built on that side of the city is very, very valuable. So we build apartment buildings there. There's a high population density. Actually, Hoboken, New Jersey, Guttenberg, New Jersey, Union City in West New York, and Brooklyn are ranked the 5 most densely populated cities in the entire country.
Correct.
So apartment buildings there. And then more expensive areas where you have beachfronts like Boynton Beach, Gulfstream, Delray Beach. Those areas we're building more elaborate condo buildings and roof decks with outdoor kitchens, private elevators for elderly people who maybe want to have a secondary home. And these type of projects are conducive, again, to the area. Also, as I mentioned in one of our previous questions, there are certain synergies that we look for. If we can't get the property below its market value, where we're creating at least a 25 to 30% equity position, we're not interested. That adds a layer of safety. Then having a tax abatement, 5-year tax abatement, 10-year tax abatement on top of that makes the returns very lucrative. You're not sharing that particular profit with Uncle Sam. And then, of course, building at wholesale. We get the same national rates as Toll Brothers and Harvanian because we build so much. Outside of this portfolio of $650 million, we manage almost $1 billion of real estate. And because of that purchasing power, we're able to build at a wholesale rate. So when you combine those synergies, that creates equity, it creates profit for our investors and ourselves, and most of all, safety.
All right, before I come to you for a closing message, $650 million ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਟੋਟਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਜੈਕਟ ਆਪਣੇ ਨੇ ਔਰ $1 ਬਿਲੀਅਨ ਦੇ ਕਰੀਬ ਦੀਆਂ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਰਟੀਜ਼ ਇਹ ਖੁਦ ਮੈਨੇਜ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਇੰਟਰਸਟਿੰਗ ਚੀਜ਼ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗੂਗਲ ਤੇ ਫੋਟੋਜ਼ 'ਚ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਆ ਕੇ ਫੋਟੋ ਖਿੱਚ ਕੇ ਭਜਵਾਉਂਦਾ ਨਿਊਯਾਰਕ ਸਿਟੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਫੋਟੋਜ਼ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ ਅਸਲ ਘਰ ਦੀ ਲੋਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਇਨਵੈਸਟਮੈਂਟ ਦੀ ਲੋਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਨੇ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਥਾਵਾਂ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ NRI ਇਨਵੈਸਟ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੋ ਬਿਫੋਰ ਵੀ ਲੀਵ what's your message to the audience?
My message would be, we have clients that have invested thousands of dollars, tens of thousands, some of them millions, and they've made the same in returns. We would love for you to become one of those clients. As we spoke, we put our money where our mouth is. We guarantee your returns as well with a floor guarantee. We would love the opportunity to speak with you and share information and for you to become a part of our family. So please give us a call. Don't be hesitant. Find out why our projects are so good and why they're so safe. Talk to some of our investors. We gladly give out, and share our contacts and, of course, our investors, both business and client investors.
So, ਜਿਹੜੀ closing ਗੱਲ ਹੈ, if you invest in a bank, if you leave your money in a bank, you might get at most 3.5 to 4% return and 16 to 18% interest. ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਜੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਦਾ ਪਹਾੜਾ ਪੜੋ ਤੇ 16.85 ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ 18.90 ਤੱਕ ਦੀ ਕਮਾਈ ਜਿਹੜੀ 5 ਸਾਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ almost the equal amount of money you're investing you can get back or you can reinvest. So that's a good guarantee. If you want to get more information, you have all the numbers on your screen. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਲਗਾਤਾਰ ਸਕਰੀਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਫੋਨ ਨੰਬਰਸ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਸੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕਾਲ ਕਰਕੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਡਿਟੇਲ ਇਸ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਫਿਲਹਾਲ ਇਜਾਜ਼ਤ ਦਿਓ ਆਰਥਰ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਵੈਰੀ ਮਚ
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me today.
Thank you. ਔਰ ਅਗਲੀ ਵਾਰ ਫਿਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਡਿਟੇਲ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਨਾਲ ਮਿਲਾਂਗੇ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ